Hi, it's Sarah She-Bear here. I'm here to show you how to make your Stickman from your Stickman kit. Now, you would have got a body like this. There's his little face and his nose. Two pre-drilled holes for the arms and legs. Got 2 feet here. They've come from the same bit of wood. They match up. Okay. And then you have your twine, or this is hemp cord. Okay, so I'm going to cut off a length for the arms. You can always make it shorter once you've threaded it through. So we're going to do a little knot for the hand and splay the fingers out. There we go. Okay. Now I've got, this is a wire cable tie. So I'm going to use this as my threader. So I'm going to pop it through the hole there. Okay, it comes out the other side, and then pop my string through there just a little bit, and then pull it through. That works lovely. Okay, and then you can tie the other hand on here, and again splay the fingers out. There we go. So there we go, your Stickman has some twisty arms. Okay, but looking good. So then we come to the legs and the feet. Again, we want some more cord. Make it a little bit longer this time. But again, it's up to you. It's your Stickman. So firstly we tie a knot, because we're going to put the feet on. If the knot is too small, then just do a double knot. So got to make sure for the first one we put the cord up from the bottom, and I'm just wetting my fingers and twisting that, and that helps you thread it through easier. But you could use your wire threader here. As you can see, I've done this before. So that's 1 foot on. So now we're going to thread it through the body. With the threader. And pull it through. Come on, there we go. Okay, so that's, just need to put on the last foot now. Have to remember the last one we have to put the string down through the hole. Because my string's looking a bit tatty, I'm going to use my threader. So put that up, pop that through there, and give it a little tug. There we go. So just going to tie the last knot to keep the foot on. There we go. Now this one's got quite long legs, quite long curly legs, long curly arms. There we go. But you can, as I said, you can have whatever length you want. You can decorate his face with perhaps Sharpies or felt tip pens, or I sometimes use a potato peeler to peel off some of the bark. Or if you're allowed to use a bushcraft knife, you could do some whittling on there. And there you have your Stickman, and you can sit him and he can watch the world go by. Great! I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoy assembling your Stickman. Bye for now. I'll see you soon.